What's good with y'all? It's C-Mac and I am back for another video. Today, of course, we're doing another unboxing. In my last shoe video, I think I was unboxing the Jordan 12s. I was talking about these Black Cat 4s. Now, from the title of the video, you already know your girl got them, because who was finna miss out on the Black Cat 4s? I've been talking about in the last three unboxing videos at least that I needed these, and I finally got my hands on them. Again, last time they dropped a couple of years ago, I didn't get them. I cried. Yeah, it was that deep. Wow. I did get a 7.5 in men's, so it is a men's or an adult size, but I usually get youth. For some reason I've been going men's, I don't know why, but paying more for the shoe, I don't know. Anyways, I got my hands on them, so I can't complain. I'm not even gonna do no more talking. I need to get right into this. I'm super excited. Okay, that's insane. Just the bottom. Wow. Wow. Let me set that down. Wow. Hold on, it look like somebody wore them a little bit. They tried them on. Am I tweaking? Maybe I'm tweaking. Alright, but these is crazy. These are insane though. What the heck? Let me get the lighting right. Y'all, these are crazy though. Like, these are, whoa. There's just something about an all black shoe that it just, like, you can never go wrong with an all black shoe. But I'm not gonna lie, like, this year's quality of the shoes have been insane. Black Cat 4s, y'all finally got them. Do y'all, what's the debate? Y'all liking the Black Cat 3s better or the Black Cat 4s? The debate of the year. I'll grab mine. I'll knock everything down. All right, yeah, mine's a little dusty. Dusty, ain't nothing wrong with that. Do y'all like the 3s better or y'all liking the Black Cat 4s? What's better? These are insane. I'm gonna have to go with the 4s. I like 4s better. But if you know 4s, if you don't size up, your feet hurting. I'm not gonna lie. But dang, these are so fire. Let me pull out the other one. Are y'all copping these? Have y'all copped them? Y'all cop the old? Do y'all have the old ones? The old releases? Because these are insane. I love me an all black shoe, y'all. I just keep looking at them like, you can never go wrong with these. I think the last cop of the year for me is probably going to be the Gamma 11s. Just because 11s are my top one Jordan, retro Jordan. Pray that I get them. I'm going to be so upset if I don't get them. Honestly. Let me know down in the comment sections what you guys think of the Black Cat 4s. These are crazy. I'm not going to lie to you. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys are rocking with the Black Cat 4s or the Black Cat 3s better. Honestly, I like this. I hope this is patent leather. Don't make me look stupid if it's not. But I really like the patent leather on these ones. I'm not going to lie. But I think just the silhouette of a Jordan 4 looks better, for sure. But let me know what else you guys are copping this year. If you guys are copping these, if you guys plan on copping something else that's dropping. One thing I'm sad about, I didn't get my hands on the, what are they called? Rare Jordan 11s, the Rare Jordan 11s. I think they were this color. Like, I was upset about that. But I was also iffy about it because of the cream sole. Like, I don't know if I like the cream. Like, if they just kept it white, those would have been a hit. But as far as getting any more cops or drops this year, I think I'm just going to go for the 11s, the Gamma 11s. Other than that, let me know what you guys think of these. These are a 10 out of 10. Easy for me. So, super dope, super nice. Let me know anything that I should cop. Like, is there something that I slept on and I should go cop? Leave it down in the comment section. Make sure to smash that like button. Comment down below. As always, stay positive, and I'll be back for more videos. Bye.
Get out your feelings and get it yourself. Might got the same shoes, but you ain't gonna step. That shit that you just put out, you could've kept.